Rovos rail vintage carriages travelled thousands of kilometres across the Southern Africa region. It all starts here at Capital Park, where our shunters will bring an old rusted coach to our workshop, where our welders, our painters, our carpenters and artisans will work tirelessly to bring it back to life.
For me, it's amazing to see how a coach looks like when it comes in and to see the end product when it goes out. My name is Marco Oukamp. I'm the workshop manager here at Rovos Rail. I have about 50 to 60 people working under me, and everybody is doing something on the coach that we are building. It varies from carpenter teams that's building the coaches. We have carpenters that's working in the machine shops, making some moldings for us. We have electricians, aircon technicians, guys that's installing showers. Everything that we're doing, even the toilet seats that we have in the train, is being manufactured here at Rovos Rail. My guys, they are experts in what they are doing.
Two coaches.
What the carriages looks like when it arrives here, you get some of them that's completely stripped. And then you get coaches that still got all the furniture, all that stuff in that we have to take out because we strip a coach completely empty inside. It all depends on the condition of the coach. It can take anything from a month to 3 months. This is going to be an ops car inside. It's our own handiwork. There's going to be a toilet here, and then from the bar area to that side, there will be the lounge area, and then from there it will be the balcony.
This is a very messy job, but I enjoy it. This is one of the 38 classes that we've recently painted. We love these machines. This is my daily job. When I wake up in the morning, I even dream of these things when I'm asleep. Especially that name, the Rovos Rail. That name is so in my heart.
You see, Mr. Rowan, he motivates you. Rovos Rail is natural. You see even this color. It's a heritage color.
The last time when we were going through this coach, there were no doors. These are doors for the rooms. The ceiling was not painted. Aircon was not there. Our lamps, they were not there. So I think there's a vast improvement.
99% done. We are just waiting for the lifting to be finished. After that, ready to go. An old rusted coach that we build up like this, 5-star.